If you practice criminal defense or family law, you know that your clients are unique. They aren't just shopping around, they are often in crisis. A person arrested for a DUI needs help now. A person filing for divorce needs discretion and trust. The problem is, most attorneys are still buying shared leads from big legal directories. That means when a client asks for help, their information is sold to 5 different lawyers instantly. The client gets bombarded with calls, they get overwhelmed, and they often end up hiring nobody, or just the first person who shouted the loudest. That is a broken model. Mohr Marketing has introduced a better way, the post-pay joint advertising program. We treat your marketing as a partnership, not a transaction. We build a campaign that is exclusively yours. When a client in your city searches for criminal defense attorney or divorce help, they see your ad. When they click to call or submit a form, that inquiry is for you and only you. There is no competition. There is no race to the phone. You own the relationship from the very first second. The most significant change is how we structure the partnership to protect your cash flow. We don't ask for massive, risky prepayments for media that hasn't run yet. Instead, we break it down into transparency. First, we initiate compliance onboarding. This is a one-time deployment where we build your dedicated compliance infrastructure, ensuring every landing page and funnel is regulation ready. Second, there is a small monthly subscription fee. Rather than vague agency fees, this subscription reserves your firm's exclusive slot in our production schedule and keeps your intake technology live. Finally, the media itself is post-pay. You only fund the cost per qualified transfer after the campaign structure is live, and you are sent qualified leads that you approve. We share the risk, so we are incentivized to deliver quality, not just volume. But the critical pillar of this program is protection. Protection of your budget and your license. In our joint advertising program, exclusivity isn't a buzzword, it's a technical reality. We never resell data. When a potential client fills out a form or calls the tracking number displayed on your digital media, the inquiry is routed directly to our call center. Furthermore, we protect you from the new FCC one-to-one consent rules by using Trusted Form and Jornaya technology. Every form fill inquiry comes with a digital birth certificate, a video replay that proves the consumer saw your firm's name and explicitly asked for your help. Every call is recorded and archived at our call center facility and saved to the cloud. Each inquiry is reviewed for campaign criteria and is subjected to a verification process to ensure quality of lead and compliance before we ever transfer the inquiry to your intake staff. The era of buying shared, risky leads from anonymous vendors is over. It is time to stop renting your marketing and start owning it. If you are ready for a pipeline that is exclusive, compliant, and structured for financial flexibility, it is time to move to the post-pay joint advertising model. Let's get you through compliance onboarding and start building a campaign that actually works for your firm. Contact Mohr Marketing today, and let's build a pipeline that belongs to you.